Yeah, we have a question that says, what is the perimeter of a square with an area of 81 centimeters square? It's a very simple one, and I want us to start with the last statement that says area of 81 centimeters square. Area of a square is L square because all the sizes are the same. So if you want to get the area, it's going to be length times length. So now we were told that the area is what? 81, 81. So if you want to get L, L will be square root of 81, which is what? 9. Let me represent the square on the board graphically. If this place is 9, this place will be 9, this will be 9, and this place will be 9. So the question says, what is the perimeter of a square? Now, the perimeter of the square will now be 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. Perimeter will now be 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, which is 36 centimeter. That is the answer. Yes, we have another question that says, a ladder is 10-meter long and leans against a wall. The base of the ladder is 6 meters from the wall. What is the height of the ladder above the ground? We have to present this question graphically for us to be able to solve it successfully. So, a ladder is 10-meter long and leans on, this is the wall, and a ladder is leaning on it. And they say the ladder is 10-meter long. This is the wall. Yeah. The base of the ladder is 6 meters from the wall. That is, from the base of the ladder to the wall is what? 6 meters. What is the height of the ladder above the ground? That is, what is the height of the ladder here to this place? This is Pythagoras theorem. So how do you solve it? This is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, this is Pythagoras theorem, is telling us that the square of hypotenuse is addition of these two sides. This is unknown. Let's represent the unknown to be x. So if you can do this, that means we are going somewhere. So this is what? 100 equal to 36 plus x squared. Having done that, then you can now say 100 minus 36 equal to x squared. Having done that, you subtract 100 from 36, it will give you 80 what? Going to be what? 4 is going to be 6. So it will be 64 equal to x squared. X squared will now be square root of 64, which is what? 8. So the answer is 8 meters. Yes, there are 10 students in a class and 3/5 of them are girls. How many girls are in the class? It's a very simple one. You have to understand the question, interpret it. If you can understand and have ability to interpret it, to make you solve the problem very easily. The question says 3/5 of them are girls. 3/5 of the students of, which is what, times of 10 are what? They are girls. That makes the question very simple to solve. Now we have 3/5 multiplied by 10. This one is a simple one. 5 here, 1, 5 here, 2. 3 times 2 is what? 6. That is the number of girls. Yeah, the question says the average of 4, 8, and 12 is equal to the average of 6, 10, and x. What is the value of x? It's a very simple one. The question says 4, 8, 12. The average is equal to this. So 4 plus 8 plus 12. The average is what? 3. Is equal to 6 plus 10 plus x. The average is this. This is equal to this. So to make it simpler for us, 4 plus 8 is 12 plus 12. That's 24 over 3 equal to 6 plus 10, that's 16. 16 plus x over 3. Now we are looking for x, because the question says, what is the value of x? So we can do like this, cross multiply. When we cross multiply, this one will give us 24 times 3 equal to 3 into bracket 16 plus x. Now this is 72. That's 24 times 3, 72, equal to 6 times 16. 3 times 16. 16 times 3. This will be what? 1848. This is 48 plus 3x. Now we're going to make this 48 crossover so that we can have 3x. (72) minus 48. This is 4. This is 24. So this is 24 equal to 3x. So we are looking for x. So we can divide this by 3. Divide by 3. And this one will give us x equal to 8. The question says, simplify, open the bracket, 12 plus 6 divided by 3 minus 2 multiplied by 2. Yeah, this is BODMAS. We're going to apply BODMAS if you want to solve this correctly. Yeah, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So we have 12 plus 6 in a bracket, which is 18, divided by 3 minus 2 multiplied by 2. I've been able to do something inside the bracket. So the next thing to do is to multiply. No, sorry, is to is to divide because of division. So this is 18 divided by 3, which is 6 minus 2 multiplied by 2. So in BODMAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. So you're going to say minus 2 multiplied by 2. That's going to be minus 4. So the answer will be 2. Yeah, the question is, what is the Arabic numeral for the Roman figure MCMXCIV? Our duty is to rewrite and do justice to it. M is 1000. CM is 900. That's 100 minus 1000. XC is 90. That's 10 minus 100. Then we have IV, which is 4. That's 1 minus 5. When we add it together, the outcome will be 4, 9, 9, 1. So that's the answer.